Good morning, friends. My name is Praveen Kumar. I am presenting Excel tricks in front of you. Today, I am just presenting Excel trick in which I am telling you how to add a word just before or after any huge data or a specific word. You have to just make sure that uh, use this trick in your corporate sector anywhere, anytime. Usually, bosses are always trying to make our work very big so that they want to indulge us. So we have to work very smartly instead of working very hard. It's time to work smart. So let's start. First of all, we have to just add. I'm just presenting you how to add Mister in front of a huge amount of data. Uh, First way is to adjust in front of you is to add a Mister. Next is a next I'm just presenting you a trick in which I'm going to select. So have a look on it. Just you have to write first in a cell anywhere in Excel sheet, Mr. Just I'm writing your front in front of you on the screen, Mr. Mr. dot. Then just copy it down in each and every cell where you want to prefix it or suffix it as. Then use the formula equal to, then select the cell in which Mr. is written, then use and press shift plus 7 and then select a cell of the next in front of in front which you want before which you want to add a word. Here Bhavnesh C4, then just copy it down to in all the cells where you want to use this formula. Hence friends, I'm just putting this in front of you to get make it clear that you can work very smartly. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on notification bell to get the latest notification of my videos. Thank you friends. I'm just presenting this video for you and I'm